Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by connecting your sources, CSV, databases, or other Excel files. Use Get and Transform to load and perform initial cleaning so the rest is reliable. Once connected, set column types, correct date formats, and remove duplicates. This avoids errors later. Make sure to parameterize source paths if files move, and create a sample query you can reuse. This first step speeds up every subsequent report and prevents common data integrity problems. Once your raw tables are clean, you shape them into a reporting model. Merge or append queries to consolidate datasets and create relationships between tables so calculations behave correctly. Add calculated columns or measures with clear names. Simple DAX like SUM, calculate, and filter often covers most needs. Then structure data for pivots. Remove extraneous columns and ensure categorical fields are consistent. This middle stage turns messy inputs into repeatable, performant reporting tables. You finish by creating the visible report, pivot tables, charts, and slicers that answer the key questions. Arrange layout for readability, add conditional formatting to highlight outliers and protect critical formula cells. Then document the refresh and publication steps so others can reproduce results. If a refresh fails, check query errors, data type mismatches, and broken source paths first. Those three fix most issues. Finally, save as a template and test automated refresh to confirm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.